Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Motel 6-Escondido, CA. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Offering an outdoor pool and terrace, this Escondido hotel offers air-conditioned rooms with cable TV. Legoland and Harrahs Ricon Casino are both within 20 minutes drive away. A 24-hour reception is offered at Motel 6-Escondido. Laundry facilities is located on site for added convenience. Family fun at the Wild Animal Park is just 7 miles from Escondido Motel 6. San Diego International, Lindbergh Field Airport is 40 minutes drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.